In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com forms. Forms in Monday.com are a simple way to collect information and keep everything organized in one place. Whether you're gathering requests, feedback, or internal submissions, the process is quick and repeatable. I'll walk you through starting from your homepage, opening the right workspace, creating a form, adding the essential details, previewing it, and making edits until it's ready to use. Begin by signing in and heading to your homepage. Think of this as your command center. It's the best jumping off point because you can easily reach everything else from here. From there, open workspaces. This is where your teams and projects live. Selecting the correct workspace keeps your form visible to the right people and ensures the responses land where you expect them to. Once you're inside the workspace, look for the plus icon. It's your creation button for new items and views. Click it to open the creation menu and then select Form. This action opens the form builder where you'll set up what respondents will see. In the form editor, start by typing the details about your form. Give it a clear descriptive title so people immediately know what the form is for. Then add a short description that explains what information you need, why you need it, and any special instructions. Keep your language simple and direct. If there are common mistakes you want to prevent, mention them here. You can also use this space to set expectations like turnaround times or what will happen after someone submits. When you've added the essentials, click Generate Preview. The preview shows exactly what your audience will experience. Scan it like our first-time user. Is the purpose obvious? Are the fields in a logical order? Are there any typos or jargon that might confuse people? This step helps you catch issues early before your form goes live. If you notice anything you want to improve, just return to the editor and type again. Make your adjustments, refine your wording, and keep the structure tight and readable. You can generate the preview as many times as you need. This quick loop, edit, preview, refine, helps you polish the form so it's clear, professional, and easy to complete. That's it. You've navigated to your workspace, created a form, added the right details, previewed it, and edited it until it's ready. With this workflow, you'll build forms faster, reduce back and forth questions, and collect higher quality responses every time.